Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GitHub Actions workflows securely, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository that contains your GitHub Actions workflows. Click on the Actions tab located in the top menu of your repository. Identify the workflow you wish to backup from the list of available workflows. Click on the specific workflow to open its details. Select the Edit button to access the workflow file in YAML format. Copy the entire YAML code to your clipboard. Open a text editor or an integrated development environment, IDE, where you can store the backup. Paste the copied YAML code into your text editor or IDE. Save the file with a descriptive name, such as workflow_backup.yml. Next, create a new private repository on GitHub for storing your backups. Ensure the new repository has limited access to maintain security. Once the private repository is created, navigate to it. Click on the Add File button and select Upload Files. Drag and drop your saved backup file into the upload area. Fill in the commit message to describe what you are uploading. Click the Commit Changes button to finalize the upload. To enhance security, consider enabling branch protection rules on your backup repository. You may also set up repository secrets to store sensitive information related to your workflows. Regularly update your backup by repeating the backup process whenever changes are made to the workflow. You can also automate backups by creating scripts that periodically copy workflow files. Make sure to review your backup process periodically for any necessary adjustments or additional security measures. This ensures that your workflow backups remain secure and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.